Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, we're going to be doing a mini, well, it's not really mini, it's like a medium kind of a Dollar Tree haul with a little bit of a 99-cent store finds at the end. So if you want to see what I picked up from my local Dollar Tree, just keep on watching. But before that, don't forget, if you like drugstore makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell so you're notified whenever I upload. And if you could like the video, if you like it, and the video's going to start right now. So first off, we're going to start off with a bunch of Ioni makeup. Now I just went recently, I think it was yesterday or the day before that, to Dollar Tree, and we found a bunch of Ioni makeup. I had been seeing this on Instagram and I was hoping that my Dollar Tree had them as well, and they did. So this first one is the Ioni liquid felt tip eyeliner, and this one's an extreme black. And that's like the name up here, but you also get a different name at the top so you know which one you're getting. And this is the orange sorbet. I do already own a Ioni liner, so I'm hoping this one is not just the same one in a different packaging. So let's take a look. Yeah, I think it's just the same thing. So if you see these multiple liners in different packaging, they're all just the same liner. The only thing that changed is the packaging theme. But this is a good liner from what I remember, so I'm not too mad at it. Really black, really liquidy as well. I believe this one does dry down a matte, but look at that. It's really stunning for $1 to steal. Next thing I purchased, which is also a product that I already have, is the Ioni pencil eyeliner, and this one is in black. And then at the top, it does say chocolate mousse. So this is the chocolate mousse liner. I also did a whole Ioni video recently using some product from their makeup line. So if you want to watch that, that's going to be down below. And I believe this is just the same thing. Again, different packaging, but this is the eyeliner in black. It is like a gel liner, which those are like my favorite ones, and it broke. No. Let me try to give it a swatch just in case you want to purchase it. You want to see what it looks like. There's a swatch of that product there, but mine did just break. Next we have a mascara, and this is the Ioni Dramatic Black Mascara, and this one's in Vanilla Bean. There's a look at that packaging. Now this one I'm not going to open because I believe I have the same mascara open already. It has a picture of the mascara wand right on the side, which I really love that they added that to their packaging. It's so cute, and they did have some other versions from what I saw on Instagram, but at my local Dollar Tree they only had this one. The thing that I was the most excited about that I don't already own is the brow gel. This says it's tinted and non-sticky, tame in volume, and this one says it's the watermelon sugar one. They did have only 2 of these at my local Dollar Tree, and on the back you do get some information if I didn't show that. That's how that looks, and there's a look at this side. All right, so like I mentioned, I don't have this product, so I'm really excited to see what it does, and I believe this one is in dark brown. Okay, so there's a look at that wand. It's a little bigger than I thought it'd be, but I think this is gonna work rather well. Oh my gosh, and this smells really good. It smells nice. It has a pleasant smell, almost like vanilla. It's nice, it smells good. Next I have a gloss, and this is a lip gloss in the Sweet Buzz shade. Really pretty kind of pinky tone, and this one is also called Pink Gold. This one just looked so stunning. Now I do have some other Ioni lip products. Like I mentioned, I did a whole Ioni video recently, and I wasn't the biggest fan of their lip products. I even mentioned them in a 10-second review video that's going to be coming up or already went up. So I'm hoping that this doesn't suck as bad as the other lip gloss, because this shade is just so stunning. So there's a look at that shade. Oh my gosh, it's like a rose gold pinky lip gloss, and these all have such a nice smell. Like, it's nothing offensive, it's not too much. It smells like vanilla. It smells so nice. I also went ahead and picked up another liquid lipstick. Now I did choose one that's in red because I did buy a nude one. I wasn't the biggest fan of it, so I'm like, okay, whatever, we'll try a more crazy tone. So this is a liquid lipstick in the shade Berry Jam. I don't know if this is just the name of like the collection that it came in, but it says Berry Jam. In the back it just says dark red. So there's a look at that. That's how the doe foot applicator looks. And take a look at the shade. Oh, that looks so stunning. It's almost like a blue based red, which I love. Those have to be my favorite type of reds. I hate the orangey kind of base tone reds. I just don't like them. They make your teeth look yellow, but the blue based ones are my favorite, so I can't wait to use this one. A couple other products from the Dollar Tree. I purchased the LA Colors Moisture Balm Lip Balm. I really love lip balms. If you guys saw my whole collection of them. I have a lot of them from chamomile and various places, but I really wanted to try this one out. I always see it at my Dollar Tree, so I was like, why not just pick it up and see what it does. So there's a look at that product. So cute. Now let's see if it smells. Oh, it smells so good. Also like a vanilla kind of light scent, and there's a look at that. Now it is going to be clear because it is a balm, but it did say it. Oh, why didn't you guys tell me I was doing that? I always mess everything up. But it is a sheer lip balm, which I am gonna really enjoy because I love the ones that don't have color to them, just because I throw them on so messily. But yeah, really nice product. Now you do have to be careful because I was trying to swatch it and it almost fell apart. It smells really nice, and I really like that it comes in a kind of lipstick form, just so you can throw it in your purse and just have it. And that's probably what I'm gonna do with this product. But yeah, so cute, and again, it doesn't really leave any type of color to the lips. I also purchased a clear lip gloss from Wet n Wild. This is their Wild Shine Lip Gloss Balm, and it just looked so stunning. I just had to pick it up. So there's a look at that. I'm not going to swatch it because it is just clear, just like the balm that we just talked about, but it looks so cute. How cute is this packaging? And the couple last things from the Dollar Tree, I picked up a couple of their skincare kind of items. I picked up the Bolero line. I know you guys have probably seen this at your Dollar Tree. They have a lot of other things for skincare. This is their Hibiscus Rose Refresh, Nourish, and Revive Facial Serum. I really wanted to see what this could do, and I have been getting into my skincare more, so I want to see how this works. Oh, how cute. I really like the packaging, and this one I believe comes in various kind of scents and different shade packaging. Kind of want to see what, oh yeah, it has like a light rose smell. Nothing offensive. It smells really good, so I can't wait to use this. I'm definitely going to keep you guys updated in future videos, but this looks really nice and I'm really excited about this. I went ahead and bought 2 eye creams from the same brand. Now these eye creams, this one's in the same scent, which is hibiscus rose. I also bought chamomile cucumber, and that's just a look at those. Packaging and trying to get them out is a little annoying, but that's a look at how these look. How cute are these? I really like the packaging, but I also have been really into eye creams, so I really can't wait to try these out. White kind of substance. Oh, feels really nice and really easy to blend out. And again, that kind of light scent of rose. It looks really nice and promising. I'm gonna see how it works, and again update you guys in future videos, but it looks like it's gonna work really nicely under the eyes. So as promised, we do have just a couple things from the 99-cent store, starting off with the Sonic silicone brush. I saw this and I really want to try it out with my cleanser, just to see what it can do, just to see if it works a little better than just throwing it on with my hands. A lot of people have been into these, and a lot of brands have been coming out with these brushes, so I wanted to try it out. Why not? And it was only $3.99. I also went ahead and purchased this product here. Now they do have a couple other things that come in this kind of packaging from Elite Pro Beauty, and I bought their microfiber makeup remover cloth. I want to see if it works and how it works, and then I can let you guys know and tell you, is it worth it, is it not? For $1, I think this was a really just nice product to throw in my cart. Why not? The last 2 products are makeup, and these are the NYX. They're the liquid crystal liners. Now they did add another color, which is a blue one at the store that I also found. That's going to be on my Instagram. But yeah, we have the one in gold, which looks stunning. So I heard from people on my Instagram that these are so good, and also in silver. They do this thing where they do a double packaging. I don't know why they do that, but I feel like it's a waste of packaging. All right, I finally got them open. They're so hard to open. They were covered in plastic, which was so unnecessary. If you already have them in a box in a plastic like kind of cover, makes no sense. It took forever to get these out. We're finally able to see how these even look. Okay, so it does come with this type of applicator, and I finally got that liner. If you were looking at this whole time, I didn't even notice I had black liner right here. There's a look at that. That's really cute. It kind of reminds me of like those Urban Decay liners that everybody was obsessed with. And now I'm gonna swatch the gold one. All right, so they are kind of like a liquidy product, and it does have like glitter in it. So these I'm definitely gonna reach for. I really like having these type of products like glitter, kind of easy glitter methods to throw on the eye just really quick. So I can't wait to try these out and see how these go. So I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming this for you today. Everything that I talked about, other names of the prices, are going to be down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget to upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. So if you could stick around, that would be amazing. I have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a lot of makeup finds from drugstore to high end. So if that interests you, go ahead and follow me there. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person and make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one.